So today I decided to go on a road trip with my little brother, and we saw this beautiful bird, and I got super close to it, and this is what happened. Oh my god! Lesson learned: please respect everybody's personal space, including wildlife. Our first stop was Brandywine Falls Provincial Park, and it is a very popular waterfall near Whistler, and if you haven't seen it yet, you have to visit. It is absolutely stunning. And then we decided to visit the Whistler Village and grab pasta as an very early lunch. And then we headed out because it was a bit too crowded for us. Then we decided to go to Nairn Falls Park to see the Green River. It is located in Pemberton. We took lots of pictures of the landscape because it was so beautiful there. Watching my little brother explore new places and seeing things with wonder reminds me of my youth, of a time when I too marveled at something for the first time. As we age, we tend to forget the magic of experiencing something for the very first time. And the closer bond we share with our youngsters, the more we get to relive these precious moments. While my little brother made believe I'm gifting him a road trip, he's actually presenting me with something far more valuable: my innocence. And I can't help but to think that one day, when he will become an adult, he too will be looking for a way to relive the good times. I can't decide if this is a hopeful thought or more of a somber one. Either way, I just feel very privileged to be able to spend time with my little brother. Anyways, now we're heading off to Lillooet, where we got to see beautiful landscapes and mountains, and I took lots and lots of pictures. We ended the day with some steak and lobster because my little brother never had lobster before, and guess what? He absolutely loved it. So what do you think of your first lobster?
It's really good.
And what about your steak?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yes.
And we finished off the day with some ice cream. Hope you guys have a lovely, lovely day. So I was awakened at the crack of dawn by the neighborhood kids crying about their soccer ball. Apparently they used my yard as a soccer net last night and they had forgotten where they left their ball. And of course, being the humanitarian girly that I am, it was my civil duty to save the neighborhood from their shrills. They sound like they're really happy to receive the ball back. Later in the morning, I joined my mom for some gardening. It's always nice to spend time together outdoors, even though I still managed to get in trouble for using the wrong water pressure on the hose. Who knew that using the semi-high pressured shower setting would destroy the delicate leaves? Obviously not this genius. Sweet old mom secretly switched me to parsley duty to save my fragile feelings. More like saving her fragile plans. And parsley picking is definitely foolproof, so I didn't mind. Also, look how beautiful they look. Later on in the afternoon, I went to get brunch with some friends, and I ordered the spiciest fried chicken on the menu because the definition of adult money means unlimited funds for stomach wall destruction, right? Then we went for a long walk at Whytecliffe Park because alongside adult money, I have also acquired adult responsibilities to my health. And the views were stunning. But to be honest, the real view for me was my hubby.
You're my best view.
I mean, he got no business carrying that dump truck around. We then decided to go to Cleveland Dam, and let me tell you, the photos we took there were absolutely stunning. Sometimes it's the simplest places that offer the most beautiful moments. And then for dinner, we decided to get butter chicken pizza. That's right, butter chicken pizza. Because here in Canada, we can get Indian style pizza with all your favorite kinds of Indian dishes as a pizza topping. And to end the day on a sweet note, we grabbed some ice cream and headed to Terra to catch the sunset. It was the perfect way to reflect on the day and simply enjoy the moment. Hope you guys have a lovely, lovely day.